Yes. Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Shikhar Srivastava, the Web and Publicity Secretary of NSS. As you know, NSS IIT is one of the most successful NSS in the country. So it was thus a daunting task for me to present it well in the internet circle as well. Thus I have given my best. I hope you find it well as well. As you can see, this is the home page. While designing this website, the experience of user was kept in mind. Thus, Ajax and other technologies were used wherein the bandwidth required would reduce substantially. A slideshow highlighting the major key activities is being put, which embellishes the main page. Besides, we have the goals mentioned on the main page. With our program coordinator, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, program officer, Dr. Smita Jha, and Dr. Jay Gantanan, with our General Secretary Gaurav Gupta, Deputy General Secretary Samya Mishra. NSS has its own Facebook page as well. It has its own blog, and it has its presence in Twitter as well. So the links have been provided here. Besides, one of the new features which has been implemented in the present version is the share and the translate. The share, since Facebook and Twitter have become very popular these days, so everybody would like to have a share button. So this share button does exactly that. We have the Facebook share here and the Twitter. The translate feature here is powered by Google Translate. So for those wishing to view it in Hindi, German, French, to name a few, can use this feature. Moving on to the About Us page, a brief history of the NSS has been mentioned here, starting from the 1970s to the present day. The event page presents the tentative schedule for this semester, starting with Prerna classes beginning with the second year on August 10th, the orientation on September 8th. Besides, we have the last day of Vijayaslam slated as November 14th. NSS cannot function just on one person, so we need an entire team. So this page is dedicated to the entire dedicated team of NSS, starting with the program coordinator Dr. Rajendra Prasad sir, our program officer Smita Jha, and Dr. Jay Ganathan sir. We have our General Secretaries Gaurav Gupta, Samya Mishra, with names of the other secretaries mentioned as well. NSS is like a human body. If one cell is the leg on which it stands, the other is the heart, without which it cannot live. The NSS has been categorized into various cells based on a type of work. This categorization helps it to function more efficiently. We have various cells, namely Prerna, Health Cell, and so on. Each of these cells has its own web page. For example, the planning, drafting, and executing. The objectives are mentioned, as well it carries pictures of the secretaries. There's a gallery page which has the images of the major events happening in the entire year. The most successful of all is the blood donation, as you all know. Presenting a slideshow there. At 18 you grow up, at 18 you drive, at 18 you give blood to keep someone alive. That is our Honorable Director sir inaugurating the event. Besides, we have rural awareness, Prerna, and the orientation function of last year. The contact details are provided on the contact us page. So we have the Facebook, Twitter. Besides, the contact details of our General Secretary Gaurav Gupta is being provided. Without your valuable suggestions, NSS cannot function efficiently. So thus, the website would be incomplete without a feedback page. So we have a feedback page in place for this. We have a search box as well. Again, it's been powered by Google. It's for quick, if you want to have quick access to any information, you need not waste your time and just type in there and search. Hope to see you on the first year rights working in all these cells. That's all from me from the Web and Publicity cell. And I would like to end on one note, on something which I believe very strongly. A man without an aim or determination is nothing but
puppet at the hands of fate. Thank you, and thank you very much.